Good morning, class 4. So today we're going to do the exercises from page number 72. So let's understand and fill in the blanks with the correct words. So first question we have is, most plants on the earth are dash, and your options are green and non-green. So non-green is not the correct answer. Green is the correct answer. After that, question 2, the dash veins / stomata let the air flow in and out of the leaf. So that will be your not veins but stomata. And then question 3, green plants make their own food with the help of dash in their leaves. That will be your chlorophyll. And then the steam takes the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. And then question number 5, extra food prepared by leaves is stored as starch in the different parts of the plant. Moving on. So after this we have question B. Match the following. In column A we have veins, photosynthesis, stomata, glucose and starch. And in column B we have transport within the leaf, process of preparing food, taking in and giving out, glucose, prepare food and stored food. So the first one is matched with the B in the column, option B in column B. Then photosynthesis is matched with D, option D, process of preparing food. Stomata is matched with option E, taking in and giving out air. And fourth one, glucose, is matched with option C, prepared food. Then question 5, starch is matched with option B in column B. Option A in column B. Moving on. So after this we have question number C, choose the correct option. So here question goes like this, which of these help to transport substances within the leaf? So your options are stomata, leaf blade, chlorophyll and veins. So option D is a correct option. After this, question number 2, which of these help to absorb water and minerals for the plant? So we have options like root, stem, leaves and veins. So root is the correct option. Question number 3, which part of the leaf removes water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? And your options are leaf blade, main vein, stomata and side vein. And the correct option is stomata. So after that we have question number 4, which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? And none of this, option D is the correct option. Then we have question number 5, which of these is not true about photosynthesis? And your options are food prepared is in the form of sugar, food prepared is in the form of starch, carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials, chlorophyll is needed to absorb light. So the correct option is food prepared in the form of starch. Question 6, which of these shows the presence of starch? Options: iodine turns reddish brown, starch turns to glucose, iodine solution turns bluish black, and option D, leaves turn green. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of these are main producer of food? And your options are green plants, animal, sun, and none of this. So option A, green plant, is the correct one. Question 8. Which of these shows dependence of animal on plants? So option D, both A and C. So then we have question, very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. So the first question is, the green substances present in the leaves. We have to write chlorophyll. Then the flat surface of the leaf is a leaf blade. Question 3. The process by which green leaves prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. And then question 4. Food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is glucose. Then question number 5. The chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on the lower member in the series for food will be your food chain. Moving on. So after this we have answered the following questions. Question number 1. What are stomata? How do they help the plant? So you have to write, the underside of the leaf contains millions of tiny openings, full stop. These tiny openings are called stomata, full stop. The stomata let air flow in and out of the leaf. After that, question number 2. Define photosynthesis. Name the raw materials needed by plants for it. So you have to write, the process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. Plants use light, water, and carbon dioxide present in the air as raw material to make their food. So the next we have next question. Question number 3. How do green leaves get things needed by plants for it? So what you have to write is, water is absorbed by the roots and carried through the stem to the leaves, full stop. When light falls on the leaves, it is absorbed by chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide is taken in through stomata. Okay, so that's how you write. After this, question number 4. How would you test a leaf or for starch? So you have to write, pluck a leaf from a plant that was out in the sun and boil it in the water. Then dip it in spirit, wash it in cold water. Now put a few drops of iodine solution on the leaf. The iodine solution turns the color of leaf bluish black. Okay, moving on. Then we have question number 5. Describe how the plants and animals are dependent on each other. So you have to write, plants and animals are dependent on each other in many ways. Next line. Green plants are the main producer of food. Animals depend on the plants for their food. Besides, plants also give out oxygen, which is needed by animals to breathe. Animals in return give out carbon dioxide, which is needed by the plants for photosynthesis. Okay, moving on. So then we have, let's recall questions. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So the leaf is divided into two parts and functions. In parts we have main veins, side veins, leaf blade, okay, and in functions we have make food, let in air and out. Moving on. So then we have, let's observe questions. Question A, which of the following pictures shows the process of photosynthesis correctly? Put a tick mark on the correct option, correct picture. So in these two pictures, the first one is the correct picture because it is taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Then we have let's observe questions. Look at the picture and answer the questions. First question, in what form does the potato plant store its extra food? So we have two options there, vitamins and starch. So that would be your starch. And for question 2, if you put few drops of iodine on the cut potato, what would you observe? So in that blank space you have to write, we can observe that iodine turns bluish black. Moving on. So then we have, let's apply question. Poonam put a few drops of iodine in a sugar solution, rice water and salt solution. In which of them will iodine turns bluish black and why? So you have to write rice water full stop because it is rich in starch. Okay. Then we have, let's analyze and evaluate question. Question number 1. Examine which part of the leaf will turn iodine blue, black and why. So you have to write the part that is green because it has starch. Okay. Next we have, and the last question we have is, estimate two things that the leaf must be giving out into the air after making it its food. So you have to write oxygen and oxygen full stop water. Okay, so that's all for now. We're gonna start with a new chapter in the next class. Thank you.